Hey there, future coders. Welcome back to Programming and Coding Explained, the channel where we answer all your burning programming questions in the friendliest and most beginner-friendly way possible. Today's topic is a hot one: Python versus C++, which is better? This question pops up a lot, especially for newbies trying to decide which language to learn first. The truth is, both Python and C++ are powerful languages, but they're designed for different purposes. By the end of this video, you'll know the key differences, the strengths of each language, and which one might be the best fit for you. So, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite snack, and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are Python and C++? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. It's known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Beginners love Python because its syntax is straightforward. It almost feels like writing in plain English. C++, on the other hand, is a high-performance compiled programming language. It's an extension of the C programming language, designed to handle more complex and resource-intensive tasks. While powerful, it can feel intimidating to beginners due to its complex syntax and concepts like memory management. Now let's break down the main differences between Python and C++ so you can better understand what each language brings to the table. Hands down, Python wins when it comes to being beginner-friendly. Its clean and readable syntax makes it a perfect choice for those just starting out. For example, to print "Hello World" in Python, you simply write easy, right? In C++, things are a bit more involved. The same "Hello World" program would look like this. It's not impossible to learn, but it can feel a little overwhelming for a complete beginner. When it comes to speed and performance, C++ is the clear winner. It's a compiled language, meaning the code is converted into machine language before execution, making it lightning fast. This makes C++ ideal for tasks like game development, real-time systems, and applications where every millisecond counts. Python is an interpreted language, which means it's slower than C++. However, for most tasks, especially in areas like web development, data analysis, and machine learning, this isn't a major concern. Python shines in fields like web development, using frameworks like Django or Flask, data science and machine learning, with libraries like Pandas, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn, automation and scripting, artificial intelligence, and natural language processing. C++ is the go-to choice for game development, used in engines like Unreal, systems programming, like operating systems and hardware drivers, embedded systems, think IoT devices, high-performance applications like simulations and 3D rendering. Python has a massive community and an extensive collection of libraries and frameworks. Whether you're building a website, analyzing data, or creating AI, there's probably a Python library to help you out. While C++ also has a strong community, its libraries are fewer compared to Python. However, the libraries available for C++ are often optimized for performance, making them highly reliable for heavy-duty applications. So, when is Python the better choice? Let's look at a few scenarios. If you're completely new to programming, Python is an excellent first language. Its simple syntax helps you focus on learning concepts rather than struggling with complicated code. Python dominates fields like data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Its libraries make working with data and building algorithms much easier. Python allows you to write and test code faster, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and small to medium projects. Python is amazing for automating repetitive tasks like renaming files, sending emails, or scraping data from websites. On the other hand, C++ is the right choice in the following situations. If you dream of building video games, C++ is a must-learn language. It's used in popular game engines like Unreal Engine and Unity. For applications where speed and efficiency are critical, like financial systems, video editing software, or 3D rendering, C++ is unbeatable. C++ is perfect for building operating systems, hardware drivers, and embedded systems. If you're someone who enjoys diving deep into the technical details and mastering a complex language, C++ will definitely keep you engaged. Here's the thing. You don't have to choose just one language. Python and C++ serve different purposes, and learning both can make you a versatile programmer. Start with Python if you're a complete beginner. It will help you build a solid foundation in coding and problem solving. Once you're comfortable with Python, consider learning C++ to tackle high performance and system-level programming. Learning both languages will open up even more career opportunities and make you a well-rounded developer. Let's talk about the job market. Both Python and C++ developers are in high demand, but their job roles differ. Python developers. Roles like data scientist, machine learning engineer, web developer, and automation specialist are common. Entry-level Python jobs can pay $65,000 to $80,000 per year, while experienced professionals earn well over $100,000. C++ developers. Roles include game developer, systems programmer, and embedded systems engineer. C++ jobs often start around $70,000 to $90,000, with high-level roles exceeding $120,000. The choice ultimately depends on your interests and career goals. So, is Python or C++ better? The answer depends on what you want to do. Choose Python if you're a beginner, interested in data science, AI, or web development, or looking for a language that's fast to learn and apply. Choose C++ if you're interested in game development, systems programming, or working on high-performance applications. The most important thing is to start learning. No matter which language you choose, the skills you gain will set you on a path to exciting opportunities and a fulfilling career. Learning to code is a journey, and like any journey worth taking, it comes with its fair share of challenges. But let me tell you something, you're on the right path. Whether you're diving into Python, C++, or any other programming language, every line of code you write is a step closer to a brighter, more rewarding future. Think about it, coding isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. You're learning how to create solutions, solve problems, and build things that could potentially change the world. The apps you use, the websites you browse, and even the games you play all started as lines of code. The possibilities are endless, and you're tapping into that potential every time you sit down to learn. All right, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this comparison helped you understand the strengths of Python and C++ and how they fit into different programming goals. If you're still unsure which language to start with, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to guide you based on your interests. And hey, why not subscribe to Programming and Coding Explained for more beginner-friendly programming tips and tutorials? Remember, the best language to learn is the one that gets you started. Happy coding and keep watching my channel.